Hi everyone! If you have been using the Coinbase app and wondering on how to buy and sell on the Coinbase app, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy and sell on the Coinbase app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now to buy and sell, simply tap onto one of the cryptocurrencies just like this, and here you can find the option of buy. Now tap on it and add the additional information about the cryptocurrency and you can simply buy it. And to sell it, simply press the button from buy to sell just right here. And after that, simply add the additional information once again about the cryptocurrency and you can sell it. And that's it. This is how you can buy and sell on the Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.